Are you there?
My dream has always been to put together to one book the best military images I have ever taken, to tell a meaningful story. A story about courage, bravery, honor, and valor. While you're watching videos, the real heroes are far away from home, protecting our peace. Balancing between life and death, they show an example of true devotion to the homeland and genuine patriotism. I want people to see something more than just a photo. I want them to be transported to perilous locations, to the battlefield, to feel these emotional, primal feelings that dedicated soldiers have in their souls. Real experiences cannot only be described with words. You must see for yourself. And I'll show you. I'll show you what it means to be a soldier. Glorious battles, victories, and adventures live in my photos. With great pride and gratitude to the heroes, and after 10 years of photographing, I'm releasing this military art book, Man's Business. It's my duty to bring my dream to life, to share my dream with you, to light with your souls the same flame of heroic pride that burns brightly in mine. After all, I'm a military photographer. It doesn't amuse me. It's my vocation.